Pati pa naman dito may ABC. Jetro, oh. ABC, oh. Ay, demon dalaga yung isa. No, I just filming to the sea. Lalakad kami. May nakausap siyang isang foreigner again. Napaka-excited. ABC Hotel. Oh. May ABC ng Animal Bite. May ABC pang hotel. Oh, diba? ABC. The breakfast. Mahirap mag-video sa gabi rito kasi maraming tao. Baka mamaya ma-snatch yung cellphone. Kagabi naggala kami kaso lang Diyos ko pa, puro mga bar house pala rito. O, diba? Kumakalma tong isa pag may nakakausap na foreigner. The Albascio Italian Restaurant. O yan. So yung street na yan. Yung street na yan, dito kami papasok. Papunta dun sa hotel na pinag-stayhan namin. Hey, we're going here. Demo, nakakita na naman ng ano, ng motor. Basta pag may nakakita yung motor, ganyan yan. What are you looking at? Come here na. Come here. Ikaw talaga. Yung pinag-stayhan naming hotel, ano lang siya. Hindi naman kamahalan. Sa 1,200 per night. Always, so it's true. I have only one friend left. I want to be you. Yeah. Ayan, yan. Nakikita mo yan. Yan kami nag-stay. Sun Moon Hotel. Yung mga kubo-kubo nila. Napakainit. Here we are now.
Well, it was not only coffee, we had egg, we have sandwich, we have like European breakfast.
Yeah. Love good water.
So yeah, now we have 3 Cokes, 2 water, then I take one more tiny water, then we have 3 of each. Total 6. Love, you want your own water?
Yeah.
Then you are up in 4 water and 3 Coke. And 9 cigarettes. And yeah, 9 cigarettes. You gave me the lighter for free. You were so kind.
And I like you to pray for me always.
Yeah. You know what?
Ayan, nandito kami. Dito, ang simple lang siya. Ito ang room namin. Makalat sa loob kaya hindi ko napipicturan. Makalat sa loob kaya hindi ko nabibidyohan. Oh. Makalat daw sa loob, hindi bibidyohan. Binidyohan na nga eh. Oh, diba?